How to buy Jasmy token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on CoINEX. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token it's addressed under the Ethereum network. Open your Bitget wallet for that. Go to your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network from here. As you can see, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So this is our token. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, scroll down until you find it. Now as you can see, this is our token. Click on it here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now to that, type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Wait a few seconds to be able, as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive. And after that, it's easy and simple. Click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Jasmy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.